I just wanted to actually play out something that Rahul Gandhi had to say today and get perhaps some reactions from you, Meenakshi. Actually, both Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi launched a very direct attack on Narendra Modi today. While Rahul Gandhi said Modi will go to jail if Gujarat gets an RTI commissioner, Sonia Gandhi said God save the country from the Gujarat model.
सूचना के अधिकार का कमिश्नर गुजरात में इन्होंने आने नहीं दिया। हाई कोर्ट ने कहा कि भैया आप आरटीआई कमिश्नर लाइए। 10 कमिश्नर होते हैं, आज भी नहीं हैं। बाकी प्रदेशों में लोकायुक्ता हैं, गुजरात में लोकायुक्ता नहीं है। जो चोरी पकड़ता है लोकायुक्ता, वो नहीं है यहां पे। यहां सिर्फ एक चौकीदार है। और जिस दिन, मैं आपको बता देता हूं, जिस दिन यहां पे लोकायुक्ता आ गया, जिस दिन यहां आरटीआई कमिश्नर आ गया, तो आपका जो चौकीदार है वो अंदर हो जाएगा।
Meenakshi Lekhi, it's rare for Rahul Gandhi to speak in those terms, basically saying that the day that RTI is fully enabled in Gujarat, Narendra Modi could be jailed, referring to him as a watchman present in Gujarat.
I can only say the man, the more he speaks, the lack of knowledge is what he shows. I think he doesn't even know how to handle a tool like Google, find out who the RTI commissioner is and who is the Lokayukt in Gujarat. He doesn't know that 7 years delay was caused by none other than the Congress government in the center. When 3 judges' names repeatedly were sent, it was none other than Kamla Beniwal, the governor and the earlier leader from the Congress party from Rajasthan, who's herself involved in land scam in Rajasthan, was the one who was sitting over those files. So the person reveals the lack of knowledge, lack of information, and very critically that what Mr. Jha recently said, that every word which is spoken by the leadership in BJP is tried, tested, thought and then spoken. Very clearly the opposite is true for the Congress, that anybody can blabber anything without having adequate facts on the fingertips. Okay, and the person obviously is not knowledgeable enough to speak on the subject.
I think both the BJP and the Congress have been accusing each other's prime ministerial candidates of not knowing the facts. But Sanjay, why don't you reply to what Meenakshi says?
Why don't you Google it right now? Who the RTI commissioner in Lokayukt is and who has been deloying since 2006?
Let me tell you that, you know, if you really go to Google Meenakshi Lekhi, you will find a couple of names that will tell you why what Mr. Rahul Gandhi has said, that the Chaukidar himself has become the chore. I will tell you why. There is a name called Babu Bhai
Everybody knows.
There is a name called Purushottam Solanki. There is a name called Anindya Patel. There is a name called Dinu Solanki. And they are all a laundry list of people. And by the way, the toffee model hurts you. I'll tell you why. Because crony capitalism. Meenakshi, please don't interrupt me. Just a matter of a few seconds.
I'm
crony capitalism is a form of corruption.
And I'll take you to the High
Crony capitalism is a form of corruption. And that's a problem. Mr. Modi actually spent taxpayers' money, 65 crores of taxpayers' money, and he actually delayed the Lokayukta. And Vishnu, that Lokayukta is completely toothless. No, this is the BJP strategy. Try and shout you down, but the people of India are hearing you. They are hearing your brazen attempt.
I will let you come in. Let's just listen to him. I'll come to you next.
Meenakshi, the people can hear me too, and they will know the truth. Absolutely. And
okay, Sanjay, one moment, let Meenakshi respond to that.
People there in the Gujarat cabinet.
Meenakshi, go ahead.
And the
Sanjay, one moment. You made your point. We are running out of time. You made your point. It's only fair that Meenakshi Lekhi replies. Meenakshi, go ahead.
Okay, my points are twofold. One, from 2006 onwards, Gujarat said not just one but 3 different judges' names approved by the then Chief Justice of Gujarat, and yet the central government refuses to accept and send those judges on to some mission or the other, including Maharashtra Human Rights Commission, but did not approve good judge's name as Lokayukt because they wanted a subservient Lokayukt to the center, and that's how they sabotaged that. Plus, when they talk about toffee model and talk about nano project itself, that judgment has come from the High Court, where the High Court said that similar policies were
SEZ policies Adani
of the
and your charitable donations that you have made to him.
No charitable donations.
You said you wouldn't interrupt and you're interrupting now. But Meenakshi,
this cannot be permitted.
Meenakshi, finish your point. We're running out of time. Go ahead.
Yes, the High Court of Gujarat has passed an order where they have discussed the SEZ policy to every other policy and have debunked the theory of toffee model, which has been propagated by none other than an illiterate prime ministerial candidate who doesn't know that policies were brought in by his own father.
Okay, well, we're going to leave it. We're going to leave it over here. Lots of serious allegations over there. Once again, the tone of the rhetoric is sharper than perhaps it's ever been. I'd like to thank both of you very much for joining us this evening.